weaving in your ends in rib stitch is super simple. So you would usually use, you know, the tail of your yarn, obviously. So I'm just going to use scrap yarn so it's easier to see. But what you do is identify all the V shapes, and then say you're starting at the bottom, go into the right leg of the V, go underneath it. You can pull it through, and then we're going to go underneath the one on top of that. And we just keep going up through those right legs. And you can even grab a bunch of them if your work is loose enough. And if this were green, this would completely disappear under those stitches. And then give it a little bit of a tug too to make sure that your yarn isn't bunched up. And then just snip it once you feel like you've done enough stitches. And that's all there is to it.